Yes, there is definitely a buzz as students explore campus, head to their classes, and meet with their friends. Let's find out what's on their minds as the semester gets underway. What are you looking forward to most about being on campus?
I'm excited that there's in-person classes. I haven't been in in-person class in over a year, so I'm just excited to meet new people and start college and all that.
Just like to get like the emotional connection with teachers and the other students, to just kind of do like group work and just probably like participate in everything. To learn. That's like the whole purpose.
Well, at least for being in person, it's like a lot easier to like get help, because a lot of times when you like have to email people, like takes a while to get what you need.
What are you looking forward to most that you're here compared to doing online classes?
Just like talking to people like face to face instead of like just on a screen. And I think like us humans, like we're made to like socialize in person instead of like just through like a computer screen.
It's more of a personal experience because you're actually in the environment and you get to actually interact with the instructor in person, and it's just more of a relationship there. So it's not as easy to get distracted or anything or do other stuff.
Last year being online was very hard, so I think just being in person socializing is probably going to be better for me and better the learning experience.
How's this going to benefit you guys being back?
Well, I like a set schedule, so I like going in person and actually having somebody to talk to, not just a blank screen.
I feel like it's easy to make connections with the teachers.
And even though we're all wearing masks and still kind of social distancing, it's still great to see familiar faces and meet new people.
What is something that you're looking forward to now that you're back on campus?
So I've actually, I've learned that being involved here at college is like one of the best things to do, and I've actually been really involved at the college. I'm a student ambassador captain, so I'm looking forward to doing tours again, to helping the admissions office. I'm a team lead, so kind of like events like this, we run them and we're like having fun with new students.
It's a really great experience to meet a bunch of new people, especially for being my first year on campus, and getting to know others makes it feel really welcoming.
Just having fun for my first year of college. I mean, it's definitely different than high school, so I'm excited.